Hey DIYers! So I'm back again with another tutorial for this week. So we're going to be learning how to make a long pencil dress, and the materials that you're going to need for this project are some sweater knit fabric or ribbing that's nice and stretchy, a tank top from your closet that you like the fit of on your body, make sure it's nice and snug, some fabric scissors, some pins, some tailor's chalk, and last but not least, your sewing machine. You guys ready to get started? Let's do this. So first things first, we are going to lay our fabric out nice and flat. We're going to make sure that it's smooth. And then we're going to be laying out our tank top on the fold of the fabric, making sure we fold it in half and it's nice and neat. Pin it to the fabric. And then we're going to measure the length that we want our dress to be. After we measure the length, we're going to trace around the tank top with our tailor's chalk. Keep tracing until you have traced around the entire tank top, including the top. Don't forget to trace the straps. Then you're going to mark the length that you want your dress to be. I'm making my dress 42 inches long. Once you have the length of your dress marked, you're going to bring the side marking of your tank top down to meet your new length for your dress. Then you're going to cut along the line that you just traced. But first, remove the tank top from your line so you don't cut it in the process. Once you're done cutting this out, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to trace your tank top on the fold once again to have two pieces that are the exact same. When you have your two pieces cut out, you're going to lay one on top of the other, keeping in mind that you're going to have the right sides facing together. Then you're going to pin the shoulder seams and the side seams down just to make sure that they stay in place while you're sewing. Once you're done pinning, we're going to take this to the sewing machine. So we're going to be sewing the shoulder seams first at 1/2 inch, and then we're going to also be sewing the side seams at 1/2 inch as well. Once you have your shoulder seams and your side seams sewn, we're going to be hemming the neckline and the armhole line for your dress. So we're going to be flipping the edges of your armhole and your neckline inside out to create a hem, and we're going to be holding it together by pins. So the purpose of this is to make sure that your garment is nice and neat from the outside when you're wearing it. You don't want to see any raw edges. You want to also make your hem as small as possible, maybe at only about 1/4 inch. You don't need it to be that wide. Once you're done pinning your hem, you're going to take it to the sewing machine and you're going to sew your hem down, being very careful to take your time and not sew over any pins. Try to sew as neatly as possible on this step because you're going to see your stitch on the other side when you're wearing it. So try to sew as straight as possible, and then once you're done with this step, you're done. So I'm going to try on the dress for you guys and let's see how it fits. Hey guys, So this is how the dress came out. It fits me nice and snug, but not too tight. It's very comfortable. The cut is the same for the front and the back. Let me show you guys the back really fast. So this is the back right here. And the length is pretty long. It stops in my calf area. Let me show you guys really fast. I gotta adjust this camera. Hey. Okay. Do you guys see the length? Nice and not too long, not too short. Perfect to go into the fall season. And yeah, wear it with some nice boots or dress it down with some sneakers. Wear a leather jacket, jeans jacket. Very easy to style. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed that. Let me know how your pencil dress came out. I'm honestly curious as to if anybody's trying these tutorials or if you guys have any feedback for me for what I can do better or what you would like to see in the coming weeks. But yeah, let me know. Let me know in the comments. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. And one more thing. I want to thank you guys for the amount of views that I've gotten on my last DIY. I'm at 100 views and that makes me really happy. So thank you guys very much for that. It pushes me to want to make more content for you all, just to get my work out there. Like, I'm really just doing this because I like teaching people how to make different things, and I feel like I haven't really been sharing my process over the years of how I make all this stuff. And I want to start off very simple with you guys and then progress with you guys with the complexity of the projects, because I'm still learning I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to record more complicated projects. Am I going to break it up into 5 different videos? Am I going to leave out a lot of detail? Am I going to do it over the course of like 2 weeks for a project? Be patient with me. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Bye!